Welcome to another episode of The Swedish Maker. Today I'm turning this camera strap into a leather strap. And this is the strap that came with the Canon EOS M50, which I'm filming with. So I'm going to remove this fabric from the strap and replace it with leather. Now that this one is set free, I can use it as a template and put it on the leather and just cut it.
Standing out on glacier lakes. Oh, you knocked me out for days and days. A pointed lens, you turned your face. We could never feel comfortable in this way. When I was everything that you wanted, and I was on the path to being honest. I stopped when we were halfway up in Austin, and it felt as we were living in our forfeits. Ground, my place to fade. Middle of the spring, but it's cold in the bed we made it. To opposite ends we gravitate, but you could never feel warm enough to stay. I wanna hear you say that I was everything that you wanted, and I was on the path to being honest. I stopped when we were halfway up in Austin, and it felt as we were living in our forfeits. I'm kind of fighting on, and I see clouds. I'm kind of you wanted, and I was on the path to being honest. I stopped when we were halfway up in Austin, when I was everything that you wanted. And I was on the path to being honest.
Alright, so I'm done with the strap and it turned out great. It went from this kind of boring fabric with Canon stamps to this leather strap. So I made the mistake of being totally stupid and using the leather dye without rubber gloves, which I know I should do. So now my fingers are brown. I'll have to live with that. But this turned out really good, and you can easily do this with any kind of fabric you have at home. I had some scrap leather. You could use an old belt. If you have an old leather belt, you can use it and just cut it to size, and it'll look much better than this. And it will probably last way longer than this. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
You are the spark